We installed a dual fuel system for the current rebate that's going on here at this property. We have a furnace with an A-coil and an outdoor heat pump. Now this heat pump is called a cold climate heat pump. It can operate up to minus 25 degrees temperature. And we have a cutoff temperature of around 5 degrees Celsius where the auxiliary backup heat, which is the furnace, kicks in. This delivers one of the most efficient systems currently on the market. Call us today. Our expert team will handle the entire qualification process.